Welcome to the student. Today we see the practical number first. Study of different makes and models of tractor. You can see the Eicher has different types of models as per the HP 80, 25, 25, 30, 33, 35 HP to up to 50 HP. And Eicher has different models like Eicher 188, Eicher 242, 241, Eicher 242, Eicher 312, Eicher 333, Eicher 364, and last the highest HP is 50 HP and Eicher 5660. These are the different types of the models as per the HP. Now the Solis tractors has the HP range from 43 to 50, and model you can see the Solis 4215E 4-wheel drive. It has 3 4-wheel drive and 3 2-wheel drive models. You can see the Escort tractors different HP along with the models. HP 40, 25, 34 HP has 3 models. 25 HP has a different 3 models, and 37 HP has 2 models, 39 HP 1 model, 41 HP has 2 model, and 44 HP 26 HP, then 36 HP has 1 model, 42 HP and 45 HP and 50 HP and 26 HP. Then HMT tractor has a 6 model as per the HP range from 25 to 60 HP, and 25 HP model has a HMT 2522 FX, isn't it? And 35 HP model, 35 HP range model has a HMT 3522. Then Indoform has a different HP range 26 to 90. It having a 26 to 90 HP range, and the model name of the model like Indoform 1026 in G for 26 HP. 30 HP has 2 model Indoform 3035DI, Indoform 2035DI, and 45 HP having a 3 model Indoform 3040DI and Indoform 2042DI, isn't it? And 60 and 65 HP model is Indoform 3055DI, for 65 Indoform 3065, isn't it? And for it it has a 90 HP range tractors Indoform 910DI 4-wheel drive. Now the John Deere has having also the different HP range models 45 to 50 HP, 35 HP, 36 HP, 55 HP. Highest HP range model John Deere 5055E 4-wheel drive, isn't it? Here too has a 4-wheel drive. Then Kubota tractor has a different HP range 21, 24, 27, 34, 5, 45, 55 HP range, and name of the model like a Kubota Neo Star A211N 4-wheel drive. And most of the models are 4-wheel drive models in Kubota tractors. Now the Mahindra tractors has also the different range up to 20 HP, 50 HP, 21 to 30 HP, then 31 to 40 HP range models. Mahindra Geo, Mahindra Yuvraj, Mahindra Geo, Mahindra Orchards. These are the different models. Then Mahindra tractors has a 41 to 50 HP range of the different models. Mahindra U, Mahindra 475DI, isn't it? Then 50 HP, 60 HP range tractors. New Holland has a different HP range 47, 42, 39, 35, 55, 35 HP, 50 HP, isn't it? And the New Holland having a different model like a New Holland 3 to 30, New Holland 4710, New Holland 4010, New Holland 3037, New Holland 4510, New Holland 3032. This table shows the different HP range along with the model name of the Swaraj tractors. Swaraj tractors having 50 to 65 HP range model tractors. Then Tafet tractors having also the different HP range from 36 to 100 HP range tractors available in the market, and name of the models are Tafet 35DI direct ignition tractor, then four-wheel drive tractor, it having also the four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. The first tractor has a different range from 27, 40, 45, 50 and 51 HP. These are the different model name like Force Balwan 400, Force Sanman 5000, Force Balwan 450, Force Sanman 6000, Force Balwan 500 and Force Balwan 550. Then VST tractors also has a different having different models like from 60 to 50 HP, and the model like VS Shakti MT 17DI Samrat, isn't it? Then VS Shakti VT 180DI Jal two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive available in two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive also. And Captain Tractors has also different HP range from 50 to 26 HP. It is available in four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. Now the Trackstar tractor has a HP range from 31 to 48 HP. Then standard tractors also has a HP range from 35 to 90. Then Dutch Ford tractors has a HP range from 36 to 80 HP, and model names like Sane Dutch Fair 3035E. It is available in four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. ACE tractors has a different HP range from 35 to 60 HP range, and these are the different model names. Then Prith tractors having also the different HP range from 35 to 90 HP, and different, you can see in a different model names. It is available in four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. Prith 3549, Prith 4549. Okay, thank you.